Most cyclists think their knees just can't handle long rides. But 90% of cycling pain isn't aging. It's a 5 mm geometry error. Start with the knee. Binney's 2025 clinical review shows anterior, or front, knee pain almost always means your saddle is too low or too far forward. Posterior back of knee pain means overextension from a high saddle. The fix: move the saddle exactly 5 mm away from the pain source. Then test. Side knee pain is a shoe problem. Lateral IT band pain means your stance is too narrow. Medial inside pain means it's too wide. Don't buy expensive new pedals. Just add a 1 mm pedal washer, or adjust cleat rotation to match your natural walking foot angle. Lower back pain is rarely a weak back. It's usually a high saddle causing your pelvis to rock side to side. Start with the lemon formula. Your inseam in millimeters multiplied by 0.883. If you hit that and still hurt, shorten your stem 10 millimeters. Neck pain and hand numbness are linked. Low bars force extreme neck extension and crush hand nerves. Ulnar pain hits the pinky. Median hits the thumb. Flip your stem positive, or upgrade to a riser drop bar to take weight off the hands. Stop buying thick gel saddles. They just push pressure into soft tissue. Do the cardboard test. Measure the distance between your sit bone indentations in millimeters and add 20 to 25 to find your exact saddle width. Foot numbness, or hot foot, happens when cleats load the metatarsal heads directly. Slide cleats back 5 millimeters. Also, feet swell in the heat. Loosen your shoe dials one notch after 45 minutes of riding. Here is the biggest trap in DIY fitting: changing 3 things at once. You won't know what worked. Follow the 2-week rule. Make one 5 mm adjustment, then ride 3 times over 2 weeks. Your tissue needs time to adapt. If systematic adjustments fail, or you have a leg length discrepancy over 6 millimeters, get a clinical fit. Otherwise, start today. Check saddle foreaft for knee pain, measure your sit bones, and slide cleats back. Let data drive your fit. Stop riding through pain. Go adjust your bike.